Welcome back. I'm preparing Mama's meal. I'm going to do a feeding with Grant and then weigh all the kittens. Normally I would wrap up a kitten in a towel when I'm bottle feeding him, but I have to try to keep his stress levels down. So I do it in the cage with his litter mates with him. Well, if you haven't heard, Adam is a girl. Or those kitty here with the snowshoes. Hello there, Grant. You ready for a snack? Okay, guys, I need you to move it back a little bit. Looks like Tory's not going to like being picked up. Adam is really, well, as we call her now, Addie for short, as a nickname, is very easygoing. Get the hindquarters stabilized. Just gotta get a little bit in his mouth so he gets a taste for it. And there he goes. Hello, Mom. I need to take my glasses off, otherwise she'll rub up against them and get some oils on them. Don't know how to clean my glasses. Excuse me, Mom, I can't see anything. Let's see if you'll take a little bit more. Nope, Grant's done. Okay, if you scroll down several posts below the main video, there's a link to their weight chart. If you want to follow along. Okay, Jamie has been holding on to her lead. And she's been making a gap, increasing her gap between her and Tory. They're all playing underneath the camera now. Grant and, Addie and Jamie. Okay, when last weighed Jamie, she weighed 12.7 ounces, 360 grams. $13 ounces even. So gained 0.3 ounces, 369 grams. Maybe Tory will be able to catch up. Okay, Adam, when we last weighed him, or Addie, was 12.3 ounces, 349 grams. Quit moving. 12.8. Yesterday, Grant weighed 9.4 ounces, 266 grams. $9.8 ounces. Excellent gain, 0.4 ounces. Gain 0.4 ounces, 278 grams. Tory last weighed 12.2 ounces, 346 grams. 12.5 ounces. So gained 0.3 ounces, or 0.3, let me enunciate, 354 grams. Well, there's Jamie's secret. Get weighed first, then go to the bathroom. So Jamie's still in the lead, 13 ounces, followed by Tory at 12.5, or excuse me, Adam at 12.8. Adam's now in second place, followed by Tory at 12.5, followed up by Grant at 9.8. You see how Adam is going like this with her claws, with her paws? That's how kittens are starting to get a sense of their surroundings. They pat things. That's what you call wappy paws. Addie is going to be a gentle spirit. Nothing seems to bother her too much. I can pick her up and pet her. She seems to take it all in stride. Tory fusses. I try to move them around like this so they get used to being picked up and getting used to having their paws off the ground. Because it's scary not to have their paws touching the ground. I'm not going to pick up Grant though. He gets enough attention as it is. Don't, with his limited lung capacity, I don't want to needlessly excite him. Okay, I'm gonna step out. Me and my son are having a Fast Five movie marathon. We're on the second one now. You take over, Mama. Too Fast, Too Furious, the second movie in the series. Getting ready for watching the sixth in the theaters. Okay, have a good day, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Enjoy the kittens.